Hello and welcome to yet another vlog, and in this vlog we're using a GoPro. We're in Japan. My friend just texted if I could help him or if I wanted to help him at the farm, and I thought, why not? I actually didn't know what to expect apart from the fact that he said like just bring clothes that I don't mind getting dirty. Obviously I'm not prepared for that, but still I thought, why not? It's gonna be fun. Yeah. Just waiting for him. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Well, you'll see the farm soon, but yeah, let's get into the video. So my friend took me here to an organic rice farm to help the farmer harvest his rice field, and to be honest, I wasn't really sure what to do, but the farmer was really nice. He was teaching us a lot about the rice field and also letting us harvest the rice with his machine. I actually don't know what the machine is called, but at first I was very nervous, so I let my friend go first just to see how things would go, and then it was my turn. So because it's a small organic farm, the truck isn't really as big as like a mass production farm, and the tools and tractors are obviously on a much smaller scale, so we have to do everything in multiple rounds, which is okay. It's kind of fun just to, you know, stack the rice up in different sacks and then just pile them on the truck, and then with the truck we bring it to the warehouse where the rice gets to be dried up a little bit more, because right now it's really humid here in Japan, so it needed to be dried up a little bit and then processed a little bit further with a machine. So yeah, after a while of harvesting, the owner of the farm decided to actually bring us to 7-Eleven and got us ice cream and nice cold drink, and from then we actually continued to work. So, right now, only a little bit of the farm is done, but at least the pro is doing it. And yeah, it was actually quite an interesting experience. you have to be very precise at a certain line that you have to follow while using the I don't know what you call it, this tractor or like this rice harvesting vehicle. So yeah, that was actually kind of a new experience for me, and I was very nervous. It looked pretty easy because from afar it goes pretty slowly, but well, it does actually go very slowly. But because the precision you need to get it right, it makes it a bit more nervous and stressful while actually using it. And the little joystick to turn, it actually responds pretty responsively. I guess it should, but yeah, I wasn't expecting that. So any slight movement you made, it just automatically applies. So yeah, it's much more precise than I originally thought. But yeah, now just waiting for this load to fill and repeat the process. Well, send it back to the warehouse and then repeat the process. So yeah. Despite this being a small farm, and also this is not the entire farm, he actually has more organic farmland elsewhere as well, but we were only able to harvest a little bit of the farm today. But it was still a very nice experience, and one that I will definitely not forget about. It's certainly very fun, and it's something that I learned a lot from today as well, about the soil, about planting rice, and certain obstacles that the farmer has to go through, especially when this part of Japan is also quite prone to typhoons as well. So yeah. So, that was random, but also kind of like a nice experience just to end the day with. Yeah. Whew. It was very hot, but because we were all working really hard and time just flies by, you don't really care about the heat that much. But also I don't feel like it's as hot as the first 2 weeks when I actually arrived in Japan. So that's nice. Yeah, we're just slowly wrapping it up. We'll just clean up just our hands and so on and just go to like a barbecue place. Yeah, let's go. And because how tired I am, and actually we all are right now, I don't have a proper sign out video. So let me say here, if you need a free photography guidebook, it's absolutely for free on my website. Just click the link down in the description section below. So as some of my free tutorials as well, and also some paid ones as well. If you have any questions, any suggestions, any recommendations, any stories to share, feel free to comment down in the comment section down below as well. Otherwise, I thank you all very much for watching. Stay safe, have fun shooting. Till next time, bye for now.